at that color, coming at ya, the vegan spice, hot off the press, wow. Welcome to the Vegan Spice. My name is Joseph, 100% vegan and 100% plant-based. What are we doing today? The Vegan Spice is coming in hot today with a spinach, walnut, raspberry, strawberry salad, finishing it off with some calendula, stinging nettle tea. That's what we're doing on the show today. Let's get it now. Okay, so this is my plating area. This is what I have going on today. I do have some chopped walnuts right here. I do have some fresh strawberries right here. I do have some raspberries, spinach as you see it. I do have the good old Macintosh, love them, my #1 favorite. I do have some limes, some tomatoes, some oranges, okay? But you can go ahead and use any type of, salad that you want. You can use the head lettuce, you can use the romaine, you can use the endive. Whatever you want to go ahead and use, go ahead and use it. Remember, you can substitute anything in any of my videos, okay? Because I don't expect you to have all this stuff in your pantry, okay? Or if you go out to the store, you might not have, some of this stuff over there. So again, we're going to go ahead and plate that on there nicely. A nice dark green in color right there. Beautiful. See if I can go ahead and get all this up. Okay. So now we're going to go ahead and we're going to cut the tomatoes, all right? I think I just want to go nice wedges on these guys like that. These have a nice dark, deep, rich color to them. Okay. Absolutely love these. These are called Kamado tomatoes, and we're going to head and place it like that. Plate it nicely around there. Flank it out on the sides. See how I do that? We do have another one, and you can go ahead and use the cherry tomatoes if you want. You can go ahead and use the Roma tomatoes. You can go ahead and do the vine ones. It doesn't matter, okay? Because I don't know what you're allergic to, but all this stuff that I'm making right in front of you right now sits very well with me, okay? I'm going to go ahead and do a Macintosh, all right? I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to dice it up a little bit. Actually, I'm going to go like that. I'm going to go nice French fry type deals right there, as you can see them. Just don't cut yourself, okay? Just like that. You can dice them. You can chop them. It doesn't matter. I'm going to put a few of these little guys in between these tomatoes. Looking beautiful. It's coming together nicely. You can already see it. The final product in my head right there. Nice. I'm going to toss one in my mouth. I'm feeling like an orange, okay? So I want to cut it. I do want like little pieces like that. That's what I'm looking for. I want to go ahead and flank these out on all four corners like that. Okay. I will go ahead and juice these later on today. All the skins and everything over here. Nothing goes to waste. Absolutely nothing. That's looking good. Maybe I need to cut that one down a little bit. Put that one over there. Beautiful. I'm going to go ahead and do the juice on here like that. This is going to be nice and fresh, guys. Everything just came out of the refrigerator. So it smells really good. Nice and cold. Okay. Now we have some limes. My favorite. A little detox going on for you. Okay. Ton of vitamins and minerals in these guys. I'm going to go get the perimeter right here, and I'm going to go right in the center. Now we have the strawberries, okay, right there. We're going to go ahead and make a nice little circle like that. Looking good over here. Beautiful. All right. We do have a few of these raspberries. Look at this salad. Oh my gosh. Wicked. Now I do have some chopped walnuts here. I don't want the big pieces. I want to get the little ones here. Right in the center. That's where they're going to go. That is looking so good. So good. All right, I think that's going to be it. Let me go ahead and hit it with some salt. Cover with a little bit of pepper. Smoked paprika, my favorite. If you never tried this, go ahead and you might want to grab it at your local store. A big difference from regular paprika. Nice smoky flavor. I want to hit it with a little bit of this ginger spice right here. Beautiful. Okay, now what I went ahead and did is I baked 2 sweet potatoes, guys, 2 of them. I'm going to go ahead and move this over here like so. I'm going to scoot this over a little bit. I'm going to put this right here. Let me get it in the camera here. Put that over there. These have been, they're kind of lukewarm. Just the way I like them. We have some sweet potatoes there. We have another one because these are my favorite, guys. These are my favorite. I want to push it down a little bit like that. The best thing that goes on sweet potatoes, besides vegan butter, of course, is going to be cinnamon. Absolutely. Let's go ahead and put a little bit of cinnamon on these guys right here. Beautiful. And maybe hit it with a lime. Okay? So a lime on that one for you. All right, so look at that. A sweet potato, good for iron and boost immunity. All right? Put that right there on top of the raspberries. Move this bad boy over. Look at this plate. Wow. I'm going to go ahead and give you the rundown. All right, so we have the oranges for the immune system. We have the walnuts for the cardiovascular, omega-3s, you know that. The strawberries, the raspberries, the hydration. We have the fiber in the raspberries, guys. Absolutely my favorite right there. We have the spinach underneath, the bed of spinach for the iron. Then we have the tomatoes right here, the fiber, the magnesium and the phosphorus, etc., etc., etc. Then we have the Macintosh apples for the gut, beautiful. And then of course the sweet potatoes, boost immunity, etc., etc. Not only that, but what do I always finish 99.9% of my meals up with? Tea, guys. Calendula flowers, stinging nettle, along with a little bit of peppermint. Look at that color, coming at ya. The vegan spice, hot off the press. Wow. And you know what that's gonna need? A little bit of lime in there, guys. All right? Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Simple, easy, great for the gut, healthy for the immune system, the antioxidants, everything underneath the sun for you. You can substitute anything you want in any of my videos. Again, thanks for watching. My name is Joseph. Have a sweet day, guys.